You're looking for an elliptical machine by the sofa, by the love seat, underneath the desk, at the workplace, at the kitchen, living room, anywhere that you want to set up. We're going to show you how to set the machine up and what the machine is all about. From the company TDH, it's an elliptical pedal machine, not just for pedaling. Put it on the table and pedal with the hands automatically in a number of speeds that will give you revolutions and the speed and more. Remote control driven and comes in a number of colors. And we're going to demonstrate and show you what this product is about. As we open up the package, show you how nicely they are boxed with the instruction guide laid on top. This machine is in white with red marking. To remove it from the styrofoam, it has a handle that you can grip, and it is with weight. It has a remote control area for location with the parts that you need to assemble your machine. Easy assembly. We're going to demonstrate and assemble the unit. We have a foot that says left and a foot that says right. We have the edging that goes to the top and inside edging. We're going to place this to the side, match up the two holes the best we can, and overlay on top until they fall into place and they push down into the unit. And then we're going to lift up from the back. And then we're going to take a screw as well, a Phillips driver, into the hole and lock down with the Phillips screwdriver each of the holes. Once the screws are in, we can have an option of a drill bit and drill and screw on. It is very easy to do and lock into place as we take our time to make sure everything's on and lock down. These are plastic and metal securing into place. And then we could place the legs back down and ready for use. We have an electrical cord, 110 volt, that plugs into the machine in the front of the machine. As we rotate the machine around, you get about 3 to 6 foot cord, extra length for plugging into the unit. It is a firm plug-in with a design on both sides that locks into place, firmly pressing in. We have a power bank that we can run our unit to show you the instructions of to use. The machine turns on with 4 dashes, and we are given 2 AAA batteries included. We simply take out the batteries and place in to the unit. When running the machine, we're going to demonstrate over here by pressing the buttons. Revolutions 4A05 HA05 in the instruction manual will tell you exactly what each settings are for. We have levels P1, 2, 3, and so forth. We have the manual controls in the center or the remote control to run the unit and the tray. If we want to hit the speed, we come over here and we press the speed. We want to hit the stop, we hit the stop. We want to hit the modes, we hit the modes. Given a mat that we could place down underneath the elliptical machine to prevent skidding. Without the mat, the machine will skid and move forward. On the machine, we have rollers that have rubber wheels and a rubber track. We have an area that we can place the remote control on. And we have an area that is Velcro for your feet. As an option, you do not want the Velcro. You can simply take the two Phillips off by lifting up and unscrewing each of the Velcros on each outer side. This is the handle to grip and move and place into a location you want to exercise. We have ball bearings in the front on each of the wheels, and it is a DC motor, very quiet. The TDH machine, without power, you're able to pedal. If wanting to pedal with power, simply turn the machine on. Hitting P number 1. It is strength or gentle. The speed is 2 through 5 with the direction of going forward. Hitting P number 2. It is light activity. Speed 2 through 8. And hitting P number 3. It is a moderate with the speed of 2 through 12. Choosing the speeds 1 through 12. In the first, it allows you only a couple of speeds to a faster speed in P2 and the fastest speed in P3, allowing you to choose the different strength levels. The motorized elliptical trainer. All the information is provided in the manual located here. Your overlay and your speed controls, and the remote control and the manual control. The TDH for exercises and more. Sitting on the couch, by the desk, underneath the desk, storing away or taking on transportation. It is a portable TDH elliptical motorized machine. A DC motor, super quiet to run, with a red LED screen, red and white design. The box is marked red because of the red design outlines. Choose the colors and makes and models found online for your exercise needs. I hope you enjoy your product if this is right for you.